Hello guys, hi, how are you? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Helen. For those who do not know me, I'm Helen Nganga, and today I want to show you how you can make a very delicious breakfast. I know you know, but I want to show you guys my way of making a very healthy breakfast, and I know you will enjoy it. So guys, welcome. For those who have not subscribed, please hit the subscription button. For those who have subscribed, God bless you. So guys, let me show you how I make my breakfast. So this is what you are going to use. These are all my items that I'm going to use to make a very delicious pancake. I didn't tell you what exactly I was going to show you how to make. So this is onions. We're going to use onions. Then this is my container. We have sugar, some eggs there, salt, cooking oil, and wheat flour. So these are my items that I'm going to use, plus my pan there. I like using this heavy pan because it doesn't take you marathon. Napeleka mdogo mdogo, and it's very good when it comes to pancakes, unlike the small pan, or what do you call it, frying pan. So this is what you're going to use to make our delicious, very delicious pancakes. So I'm going to take you step by step on how to make these pancakes, and yeah, you tell me whether you have your own way of making very delicious breakfast. This can be taken by kids, everyone in the family, even the babies. You can take this because it's very delicious and healthy. First of all is water. So you're going to use this water to make the paste. First of all, we make our paste here. Mukorogo, inaitwa mukorogo. Unaweka size yenye unataka, then some water. Sishagani kwa nini niko na dera, mke nyumbani. So this is our paste. We make our mukorogo. Those who apply mukorogo on their faces, those who pick up mukorogo, they know what I'm saying. So we are going to make our mukorogo, wheat and water first. We mix this first, sorry. Mukoroga, because our main aim is to make this paste smooth. You break every single flour lump yenye inaweza kuwa hapo ndani, so you koroga kabisa kabisa mpaka this paste ikue nyororo or ikue smooth. So this is what we are doing. Tuna mix, inakuwa ka mukorogo ka ukweli. Ndio. Sasa hii una mix according to, depending on the number of people that you are cooking for. For me, I guess there are 3. Unless mugeni aingie na ya mugeni 2 ama 1. So this is what we have. Maji kidogo ndio square that thick paste. Then from there we add our onions. Baby. Nitakuchapa Jasmine. So from there, we add our onion. Every corner of the paste. Stir completely. Kitunguu inapotelea humo ndani. Then from there, have our salt. Hakuna chakula complete bila salt. Na unapima salt usiweke tena mingi. Then our sugar. Unaweka depending on watu wenye unapikia wanapenda utamu ama they are allergic to sugar, so you put it accordingly. As for me, napenda ikiwa very 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 sweet. Then you stir as usual. You mix this paste kabisa. Then as we do this, we're supposed to light up our gas ndio hii pan heat. Is heat sana, that's why siku iwasha na wako nini. Ya kwanza tunaweka as we stir, our pan inakuwa hot, so we mix this thing completely mpaka hiyo salt and sugar zikuwe dissolved. That is it. You can see our mukorogo there, but not mukorogo ya uso. Then from there, hii mayai inaongeza taste, at the same time inazuia the breakages of those pancakes when cooking on the pan. So this one ina act kama gum ama kishikanishi ama ukma, inaongeza pia utamu. So we use our eggs. For now, for this case I'm using kama yote. It's our eggs. So these are our 3 eggs. Naka hivi. You see? Sasa what we do, we mix the same. Kwa hii paste yetu. Now this one nakoroga hivi. You stir completely. Mimi napika bado. Msishangae kichwa imeenda wapi. I just want to show you step by step on how to make this delicious pancake. Si lazima ukule boflo every morning, boflo every morning, madavi every morning, sijui uji. This is the simplest way of making a very delicious breakfast. You can use it for visitors. Wageni unajua wageni wanaenda na kasi hivi. So tuwapea bofu every day. Watashangaa. But ukiwapikia hivi they will know now. Hapa kuna mtu anajua kupika. So now this is what we have. Everything is here. Kuna mayai, onions, salt, sugar, what else, wheat, And what else? This is what makes the paste itatumia kutumia kupika our pancake. So everything yenye tulikuwa nayo hapa hivi tumemix here. So our next step is to kupika mukorogos. So I'm going to put my cooking oil here to avoid peeling off. Ama kumwaga mwaga, economy is not allowing us to waste any mafuta for easier use. That is sana sana sio economy, because mostly for easier use. Iskulete so this is our pan. Let's taste whether it's hot. For it first. So first thing first, you spread some mafuta kwa pan. You spread mafuta hivi ndio at least ukimwaga hii paste yetu isishikane na pan. You spread evenly kwa pan, depending on the size of the kamkate you want to cook. You spread evenly. Unajua mukorogo, pancake ni shape. Shape ya pancake lazima ikuwe round, so you spread it evenly around the pan. You regulate the heat. Tena sana. We are not running anywhere. We are not late. So we are taking our time. We spread it evenly. Despite this, Virgil is compelled to use it to ease his stomach pressure. While in the bathroom, a manly voice asks him if he's waiting for someone to go to the compound. Listening to this, usimeki kuwe thick sana. Kikuwa mnono sana haitaiva ndani. So you spread kabisa hii unga ikue hiyo chapo hiyo mkorogo iko very not that thin, but at least reasonable. Yenye inaiva both sides. So this is how it looks. This is our mukorogo here. This is our mukorogo cooking fat. Now, when you put it on a pan, inakaa hivyo. Ikispread vizuri. Sasa ina turn, nenda ikidrying up as it ivas. You see? You see how to cook mikorogos? So lazima mkule buffalo. Then natumia mafuta. Na usinyime pancake mafuta hata kama economy ni baya. Don't nyima eat mafuta. Just put very reasonable mafuta. You see how it looks like? It looks like this is how a pancake should look like. Okay. Then the other side the same. Tunatumia mafuta. We rotate. Ndio mafuta ingie every corner. So this is how we make our pancake. Tunatumia that paste kuweka kwa pan, you spread evenly ikwe that round, then unaweka some mafuta and make sure you regulate your heat so that it does not overcook, not really overcook but ina burn up. Inaitwa gushura, isishure. So you regulate your heat, then unaweka mafuta, you spread it evenly kwa, that's how unaona nikirotate ina spread mafuta kwa every corner of that kamkorogo. Hajuro Jasmine. So guys, we are done. Haka ni kale kamwisho kanaitwa kahura rogeo. The Kikuyu people know that, know how it is called. This is the karogeo ama kamutoto. So guys, this is how you make your pancake. Si lazima ukule bread ya bofuru. Not that I'm against it, but it's good to change breakfast from now and then. Treat your people, yeah? Treat your kids. Hiyo inashika tumbo until mpaka huyo mtoto akienda shule haizi feel that hunger kama amekula bofuru. Are you together? So women, ladies, this is the way to even men's heart. You are starting with stomach, then you come here. You know what I'm saying? So guys, this is the way. This is my recipe. Kanauka vizuri. Aka kanaitwa kahura rogeo kamtoto, the last chapati of every chapati or every mikorogo. So guys, this is how very yummy, eh? Very soft. Even the babies can take it. You see? This is how it should look like. And it's very sweet. Very, very sweet. So, this is our mukorogo. You can see the onions here. See the onions? And it's very soft. Even the babies can eat it. So guys, this is my recipe. Go and prepare it and tell me how you see it. You see? You tell me whether nimewapoteza or I have helped or the recipe is good or not. So this is very yummy, very soft, and it can be taken for either breakfast, dinner or lunch. So guys, until next time, my baby is crying. So bye, tunani next time, and God bless you.